Good morning to all. Welcome to math class. Today we can discuss about some important question in this chapter. Question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of sheet. Pi equal 22 upon 7. In this question, first we find the radius and also find the area. Okay. Circumference. What is the formula for circumference? Here C equal 2 pi r. The circumference of circular sheet is 154. That means C is 154 is equal 2 into value of pi. In this question, the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r. 154 equal 2 into 22, 44. 44 into r upon 7. Then r equal 154 into 7. 154 into 7 divided 40. 154 into 7 divided 40. Then we find the radius. You converted into the lowest. That means r is equal 49 upon 2. 154 into 7 divided by 44. We converted into the lowest. Okay. In this lowest, that means the result is 49 upon 2. It is good. Okay. Then we find the area. Area equal pi r square. Area equal pi r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into r is 49 by 2. Then r square is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. It is good. Otherwise, radius is decimal time. Okay, it is your choice. Okay. R is 49 upon 2. R square means 49 upon 2 into 49 by 2. 2 times. Okay. Then cancel method. 49 and 7. How many times 49 by 7 is 7. Then this one is 22. Denominator 2. Cancel. 11. Okay. Then you find the area. Area equal 11 into 49. 11 into 49 divided 2. 11 into 49 into 7 by 2. Okay. 11 into 7 into 49. 7 into 49 both are same. 7 into 49 by 2. Then the area is 188.6.5 meter square. 1886.5 meter square. Okay, this one is area. You check the value. Okay. In this question, first we find the radius and also find the area. Clear? Then the fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs ₹4 per meter. Pi equal 22 by 7. Okay, in this question, diameter is 21 meter. Diameter is 21 meter. Diameter is 21 meter. We find the circumference. Okay, then diameter is 21. Then radius is r. That means 21 by 2 or 21 upon 2 meter. Then we find the circumference. Circumference is equal to pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 21 by 2. The diameter is 21. Then radius is r. That is 21 upon 2. Then cancel. Then 22 into 21. 22 into 21 upon 7. 22 into 21. We get a result and divided by 7. The answer is 66 meter. Okay, calculation you do in the notebook. Okay, circumference is 66 meter. Then in this question, we find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if make 2 round of fence. 2 round of fence. 1 round of fence is 66 meter. Okay, that means circumference. You make that 2 fence. 2 round of fence. That means 66 meter into 2. 66 meter into 2. That is 132 meter. 132 meter. The length of rope needed to make 2 round of fence. Okay. Then we find the cost. Cost of rope per meter. Cost of rope per meter. Rupees is 4. Rupees is 4. Then we find the cost. Cost per meter is 4. Cost is equal rupees 4 into 132. Is 4 into 132. That means rupees 528. Rupees 528. Calculations you write in the note. Clear? Okay. Then move to the next question. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of lace. Okay, the value of pi is 3.14. The cost is rupees 15. It is the 6th question. Okay, In this question, diameter is 1.5. Diameter is 1.5 meter. Then radius is r, that is 1.5 by 2. Then circumference of table C equal 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to pi r. 2 into value of pi in the question 3.14. 3.14 into 1.5 by 2. Diameter is 1.5. The radius is half of the diameter. That is 1.5 by, then 2 cancel. Then you multiply 3.14 into 1.5. The answer is 4.71 meter. 4.71 meter. Clear? But we find the cost of rupees 15 per meter. 15 per meter. Length of lace required. The length of lace required 4.71 meter. Then cost of lace per meter is rupees 50. Per meter 50. Then cost of lace is equal rupees 15 into 4.71. Rupees 15 into 4.71. The result is 70.65 rupees. You multiply 4.7 to 50. The result is rupees 70.65. Clear? Okay. Calculations you write in the notebook. Okay. Then the 7th question. Find the perimeter of following figure, which is a semicircle included its diameter. Find the perimeter of following figure. Following figure including its diameter 10 centimeter. This is 7th question. Diameter is 10. This one is semicircle. Then semicircle, the formula is half pi d or pi d by 2. Both are same. Half pi d or pi d by 2. Okay, this one is semicircle. Okay, then value of pi is 3.14. Half into 3.14 into 10. Then cancel 10 upon 2. 5. 1 into 3.14 is 3.14 into 10. 3.14, 1 into 3.14 into 5. You get the result 15.7 meter. 15.7 meter. Okay, 1 into 3.14 is 3.14. That cancel. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3.14 into 5. The result is 15.7 meter. We find the perimeter. The perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle is equal. This one is 15.7. 15.7 plus this side. This side is 10. The answer is 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Then decimal point. Then 7. 15.7 plus 10. This one is 10 means 10.0. The result is 25.7 centimeter. 25.7 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Today we discuss some important questions, okay, in this chapter. Okay, the remaining question, that means 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. You write in your notebook. It is homework. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, you write in your notebook. Okay, very important types of question. Okay. Today we discuss circumference of circle, then perimeter of semicircle. Okay, very important. The remaining questions, that means 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. You write in your notebook and submit. Okay, clear? Okay. Then thank you for listening. Have a great day.